At what temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit equal? Hello everyone, welcome in the unit conversion series part 9. In this video, we are going to discuss about the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so before we jump into the at what temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit equal, let's understand that how to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Okay, so both the units, if I talk about the degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, both are the unit of temperature. Okay, now if I ask you a question that what is the temperature, right? So most of you will give me the answer that sir, it is the measure of the hotness and coldness of the body, right? That answer is also okay, but the right answer of the temperature is it is the average kinetic energy of the molecules within the body. Okay, if this is my one body, so the average kinetic energy of that molecules within that body, this is the your temperature. Okay, so if the kinetic energy of that molecules will be increased, so obviously what will happen, that the vibration will be increased, the internal energy of the body will be increased, hence your temperature will increase. Okay, apart from that, let's understand that how to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Okay, so these both are the unit of the temperature and the SI unit of the temperature is the Kelvin, right? Okay, so now there is a one formula that we use to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius is degree Celsius is equal to 5/9 degree Fahrenheit minus 32, right? So this is the formula which mainly we use. So now let's just take one example, and the example is that you have a 77 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, now just convert that degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So simply what you have to do, simply put the value of degree Fahrenheit here in equation number 1. So 5/9, the 77 minus 32 is equal to 5/9, 5, 4. So when you will cancel out, so it will be your 5. So 25 degrees Celsius will be the answer. I hope you understood the point what I want to tell you. Okay, the 77 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's how you can convert from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Same, if you will rearrange this formula, so you can also check it out that how to convert from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, right? So please let me in the comments box the formula from where you could convert from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so simply read the question again. At what temperature are Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal? Okay, so we know that how to convert degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so now let's assume that at any particular temperature, that is X. Okay, we don't know about that temperature. At that X temperature, your degree Celsius will be equal to degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so now what I do, I simply put degree Fahrenheit in place of instead of degree Celsius. So degree Fahrenheit is equal to 5/9 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. We could do like that. Okay, I hope there is no problem. Okay, fine. So now what I can do, just cross multiply here, so you will find it will be 9/5 degree Fahrenheit is equal to F minus 32. Okay, now if you will just rearrange the equation, so you will find out that 32 is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit. That's okay, I hope. Okay, now just simply do the calculation. So you will find out that 32 is equal to 5 degree Fahrenheit minus 9 degree Fahrenheit divided by 5. So now 32 is equal to minus 4 degree Fahrenheit minus 5, right? Okay, now if you will simply cross multiply here, so what will be here? The 32 divided by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 5 degree Fahrenheit. So it will be cancel out and here will be 8. Okay, now again cross multiply, so you will find the answer minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so the value of degree Fahrenheit will be minus 40. So the minus 40 will be that value if it will be degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit, your value is going to become 0. Okay, what is the meaning of that? If you will put the minus 40 here and here as well, so you will find out the answer that will be equal to 0, right? I hope you are getting my point, what I want to tell you. Just simply do here, if this number will satisfy this equation, it means that our answer is okay, right? Because if you put here the minus 40, right, so your degree Fahrenheit value is also going to be minus 40. Okay, just simply see here. So simply see, degree Celsius is equal to 5 by 9 minus 40 minus 32, 5 by 9, so it will be 72. Okay, degree Celsius. So just multiply here 10, so it will be 360 divided by 9. So what will be the answer? 40 degrees Celsius, right? I hope you are getting my point, what I want to tell you. Now if simply you put this minus 40 here and here, so what will be the answer? The answer will be 0. Okay, hence it will satisfy this equation, and we can say that minus 40 will be the temperature where this degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit will be equal. I hope you got my point, what I want to tell you. If you have any doubt in this video, please let me in the comments box. I will definitely clear your doubt as soon as possible. So that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.